Hi, I'm Holly Zhao. I'm Product Marketing Lead at Logitech Video Collaboration, and we're at InfoComm 2022. And I'd like to introduce you to Scribe, which is our whiteboard camera built for digital video meetings. What Scribe does is that it takes existing whiteboard surfaces in our meeting spaces and uses built-in AI and a custom lens to transform that whiteboard into your Zoom or Teams meeting so that you can take advantage of it and that remote participants can now get the best seat at the table of seeing the whiteboard. If we flip around here to what Scribe is capturing, we see on this display what the far end participant might see, which is clear sticky notes and writings and sketchings and drawings, just like they would if they were in the room. Now, if I were to come here and write on this whiteboard, the Scribe camera actually uses AI to ghost me out of the presence so that I'm not covering what's showing on the board, if you'll see on the display. And so we're really excited about how Scribe is making video meetings and especially whiteboards a much more inclusive and equitable experience for the remote participant. You can learn more about Scribe at our website, logitech.com.